Just a quick little video today. I wanted to show you this piece that I finished. I'm calling it 2622. I found this piece as an antique auction and knew I had to bring her home. She's just so unusual. I think she'd be an antique crystal cabinet. I just love those medieval arches, aren't they fantastic? Like they're from a church. It's just gorgeous. This piece has got 2 removable glass shelves inside, and it's all been lined with purple jersey. Now, I wanted to do it in an unusual colour, so I picked out this one. Where are we? There we go. This is hard to do while you're on your own. This, can I get that in focus? There we go. Carts and Millie Boutique Mineral Paint in Plum Pie, which is a gorgeous crimson-y sort of plum colour, which is exactly what I wanted. I've really had a hard time trying to find a lovely crimson colour, but Carts and Millie is perfect for the job. So what I did, I got her home. She needed a lot of repair work. I have done so much work on this piece. She needed a lot of damage repair. She's on gorgeous long legs, and I gave her little silver metallic shoes. But the first thing I did, I cleaned her thoroughly, sanded her, primed her, then I started with the plum pie. I still wasn't 100% happy with it, so I went over it with the Carts and Millie Boutique top coat. It's a satin finish, but just to give her some depth, I added some raspberry mica powder to the top coat. A very good friend gave me that tip, and it just turned out beautiful. Now, this piece has got 2 doors that open, as I said, the 2 removable shelves. It's got glass panels on either side so you can see into it. I'll open it up and I'll show you in a second what it looks like inside. The Roman numerals and the Baroque scrolls I made with resin, and the moulds were from Redesign with Prima. I used Aldex fast cast resin. I'll just pause this for a second. And this is her inside with the doors open. She looks like something out of the Munsters house, I think. She's very witchy. I love that. And she's so different. Yeah, she's certainly different. She's a beautiful piece. So now I know that she was made in 1926 because I first brought this piece back from the antique auction. There was a manufacturing sticker on the back with the date, so that made it so easy to know exactly when she was made. But she's a gorgeous piece, but she's not pristine, but then she's nearly an antique. So anyway, there she is, and I just wanted to share her with you. Hope you like her.